I'd like to welcome you guys to Greensburg, Indiana. Why do I bring you to Greensburg, Indiana? Because it's known for one thing right now. Now I'm going to show you on this camera, but I'm going to get better shots than the other camera. Right there's the courthouse. And at the top of the courthouse, they got a tree growing out the top of it. We're going to be doing voice overlays because I'm going to go to a different spot with my G70 and get the shots of the tree up close. Nice old car right yonder there. Okay, if you guys can hear me, yes, they have a tree growing out of the top of a courthouse. You're probably wondering how that is, why that is. Many years ago, they believe a bird left some droppings on top of that, and that's why the tree's growing out of the courthouse. It's been like this for years. One of the things this city's known for is the tree growing out of the courthouse. Once a year, a guy climbs up a rope up past the clock tower and he trims the tree. And all the droppings of the tree land on the ground, and usually there's a lot of spectators around when he do this. And what he does when he gets done, he hands out the branches to the people because they say and they feel it's good luck. It also been said there's another building around here that has a tree growing out of it too. There's a lot of noisy vehicles up through here, but let's look around. I'm not seeing anything that will have a tree growing out of it, but yeah, that's what's been said. And right here from this side, there's the courthouse. Here, I'll show you something if you want to freeze the camera and read a little bit more about this. There you go. If you want to freeze it, I'm reading. Okay. That tells you a little bit about the courthouse. It doesn't say how long the tree's been growing out of the courthouse. I do not have that info. Now, we was here last week. Oh, what is my puppy doing? We was here last week getting some footage, but my footage last week was completely torn up by the wind. Yeah, it was a very windy day, so even the shotgun mic I had on did his job. I can see that. So I'm going to probably add some of that footage from the G70, and I'm going to get some more footage from the G70. And the thing is, I want to go to a different location because trying to get a shot of this right now from this point, it was hard to do. So guys, as this whole video is going through, I'm showing shots of the tree, as many as I can get. And I'm using some of the older shots I got last week and put them with the new shots I'm getting today. And my puppy here needed a little bit of a walk. See, he had a dog park walk this morning. Oh, there was a bee on him. He needed a little bit of walk, see, because today we decided to go all the way to Shelbyville, Indiana, to get out of there, to get a electrified bridge. Yes, this is the same day. Sometimes I put 2 videos in one day. And the reason I'm doing this because where I'm at now, Greensburg, is halfway home. So, yeah. And last week we drove all the way up here trying to get this, and yeah, I wasn't able to do well. But I still can use some of them shots. Oh, let's look at this courthouse. I believe that sign said 1865 this was built. It sure is a beauty. Holy mother of ketchups. Okay, right over yonder there is the Defiant. We're going to go to a road over this way. I should be able to zoom in and get a pretty good shot of the tree. Which you guys already seen that footage as I'm doing this now. So right now I can put the closings on it and we're just gonna get shots of the tree. It may not be a long video today, but you know what? It's a short and sweet video. And Angie keeps looking back. Oh, there's somebody walking behind us. Until next time guys, if you're ever in Greensburg, Indiana, make sure you take in the sights and look at the tree growing out of the courthouse. Until then, come on, let's get out of here. Thanks for watching.